So CBD has been in the news recently quite a lot. CBD products, so CBD is cannabidiol and it's a cannabinoid and they all come from the cannabis plant. However, CBD is the non-psychedelic drug part of the cannabis plant. So there's many different products out there that contains these CBDs. So we've obviously got our gummies, our oils, our chocolates, but then also personal care products, shampoos, conditioners, and even moisturisers are starting to have this CBD in. It's important that the manufacturers actually test these materials for two reasons. One is to make sure that if you're creating a product which contains a known amount of CBD, then that actually is correct. So if you've got a gummy that contains 30 milligrams of CBD, that it is actually 30 milligrams that's there. And also the stability. So if you've got 30 milligrams to start with, then in a year's time or something, that you will actually still have that CBD content. So it's a trading standards type thing. The other side of it is the legal side. So all of the CBD will come from the cannabis plant. So when it's purified, we hope that you will get just pure CBD to put in the product, but you actually don't. You will always get some of the other cannabinoids that come with the cannabis plant. And there are banned cannabinoids. So one of the main ones is delta-9 THC, which obviously everybody's heard of, and that's the stuff in the cannabis that makes you high. This cannot be in the product. So we are testing it to make sure that this material is not there. Legislation states that any banned cannabinoids in a product that is intended for human use is not allowed. So for the CBD, for the actual analysis, it's all done by liquid chromatography, triple quadrupole mass spectrometry, which is a highly sensitive and selective technique. And we have one of the most sensitive instruments in the world, and we can look for the minute traces of these banned cannabinoids. So here we have our LC triple quad. So this is a new instrument that we have that's designed for this cannabinoid profiling. We use it for a number of other things as well. So we've started to use this for some of our pesticide and herbicide work that are unstable using our normal GCMS analysis. We've now moved it over to our LC triple quad. We've also started looking at some research projects for pharmaceuticals in wastewater. We're working with a university down south which is trying to develop new ways of cleaning up the wastewater. So the wastewater treatment plants are not designed to remove these pharmaceuticals. So we are spiking water samples with these pharmaceuticals, we're analysing them to find out what the levels are, and then the university is trying different treatment processes to try to remove it. So we will have the water from those treatment processes, and then we will look to see whether the pharmaceutical levels have actually decreased.